In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully complete your app development and testing in Base44 and guide you through the process of exporting and publishing your app on both iOS and Android platforms. Let's get started. First, let's talk about preparing your app for export. Once you've completed the development and testing phase in Base44, you'll need to export your app package. For iOS, this will be in IPA format, and for Android, it will be in APK format. This is an essential step as it ensures your app is packaged correctly for distribution on each platform. The next step is to prepare for publishing on Apple. To start, you'll need to create an Apple developer account if you haven't already. This account is critical as it allows you to submit your app to the App Store. After setting up your developer account, use Xcode or a compatible tool to prepare your app. Xcode is Apple's integrated development environment for macOS, containing various tools essential for app building, including a source editor and a graphical editor for UI designs. Once your app is ready, you'll need to submit it via App Store Connect. While it's recommended to do this in Chrome due to its compatibility, ensure all your app information and metadata are thoroughly checked before submission. Make sure every aspect of your app aligns with Apple's guidelines to avoid any unnecessary delays. Switching over to Android, the first thing you'll need is a Google Play developer account. As with Apple, this account is necessary to gain access to the Google Play console, where you will manage and distribute your app. With your account ready, proceed to upload your APK to the Google Play console. Here, you'll be required to fill in various details about your app, such as its description, categorization, and select countries and regions you wish to distribute it to. Be thorough and accurate with these details. The more information you provide, the better your app's chances of being discovered by users. Following submission, both platforms will subject your app to a review process. This is where they'll check for compliance with their respective standards and guidelines. It's crucial to pay close attention during this stage, as you may be asked to make certain changes or adjustments. If any issues arise, address these quickly and thoroughly to ensure a smooth path to approval. Once your app is reviewed and approved, congratulations! Your app will now be live on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, ready for users to download and enjoy. Remember that this is just the beginning. Keeping your app up to date and listening to user feedback will help in maintaining its success over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in bringing your app to life on both major mobile platforms.